When Honda brings back a legend, the motorcycle world pays attention. And in 2026, the iconic VFR750R, better known as the RC30, makes its return, reimagined for a new generation. Welcome back to Next Gen Reviews, where today we're taking a closer look at the modern revival of a true superbike classic. Design. Let's start with the design, because Honda nailed it. The 2026 VFR750R blends retro racing DNA with modern aesthetics. You've got that unmistakable single-sided swing arm, clean fairings with subtle throwback livery, and a sculpted tank that just begs to be gripped. It's both a nod to the past and a showcase of today's premium build quality. Performance. Under the fairings sits a newly developed 750 cubic centimeters V4 engine, a compact, high-revving powerhouse that stays true to the original spirit but brings sharper throttle response, a wider torque curve, and updated internals for better reliability. It's smooth, it's punchy, and when that V4 growl kicks in, it's pure magic. Honda's refined chassis geometry makes the VFR750R nimble in the twisties and rock-solid at speed. It's not just fast, it feels precise, planted, and endlessly rewarding. Features and technology. Technology-wise, this isn't just retro with a facelift. You're getting modern rider aids like lean-sensitive traction control, cornering ABS, and selectable ride modes, all tucked into a minimalist TFT display that keeps the cockpit clean and rider-focused. Quick shifter, launch control, and ride-by-wire are standard, but they don't overwhelm the experience, they just let the V4 shine. Conclusion. The 2026 Honda VFR750R isn't just a tribute, it's a proper performance machine built with soul, precision, and a deep respect for its roots. If you're a fan of heritage with real bite, this bike is worth your radar. Enjoyed the review? Hit like, share your thoughts in the comments, and tell us what bike you want to see next. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more honest, detailed ride insights every single week. Thanks for watching, and keep the rubber side down.